What's going on YouTube? It was like part 3, fixing up my charger. So today's video, we are finally installing my stars into my headliner. So for the first part, I'm putting 345 Hemi in it. So when it's in it, it'll be reading, like it's backwards right now because when I put it in, it'll be the correct way. So 345 Hemi. Putting that in. I got shooting stars, so I'm gonna put shooting stars in this like little area. Cause I got the sunroof, so I don't got a lot of room. And I'm gonna put stars all on the side, on this side. But most of my stars are gonna be in this area. I got my tripod right here. So we'll get a time lapse of me just doing everything else, marking everything, and getting everything ready. I recorded most of this yesterday, but I'm just going through footage. It's all messed up, so. This is where I left off at. I got all the tags in to where I'm putting the stars. I got dots because I was marking them with the dots, but I kept losing track of count, so I just started using the push pins or whatever. Right here it say 345 Hemi. I got a star right here. These right here on the sides are shooting stars. So now I'm about to add the stars through the headliner right now. Stick them through.